British Army to receive final Tranche 1 Jackal 3 4x4, Babcock has completed the final 2 Jackal 3 vehicles to fulfill the first tranche of orders for the British Army, with Tranche 2 production underway for an additional 53 six-wheeled extended variants first ordered in 2024. The Jackal 3 vehicle offers a range of mission-specific load beds, including options for weapons, communications, and intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance equipment. The Jackal 3 and its variants are widely utilized by the British Army for a range of tactical logistics and reconnaissance roles. The platform has been developed by UK-based armoured vehicle designer Supercat. The Jackal 3 is the latest generation of Jackal vehicles that first entered service with the British Army in 2008, including improved crew protection and increased gross vehicle mass for greater load carrying. In addition, a new suspension system will improve off-road performance, with the vehicle able to be reconfigured from its current 4x4 configuration into a 6x6 variant to increase load carrying capacity. The agreement for the provision of an initial 70 Jackal 3 High Mobility Transporter HMT for the British Army first came to light in February 2023, which also contained a provision for an eventual total provision of 240 of the type. There are around 700 Jackal variants in the British Army. Babcock and Supercat commenced the production of 70 High Mobility Transporter HMT Jackal 3 vehicles in February 2024, as part of the UK's Land Industrial Strategy, which aims to improve collaboration between the UK Ministry of Defence and the industry. It is one of the first contracts to be awarded under the programme. As previously reported, the development of a Jackal 3 is timely, as it aligns with an ongoing UK Ministry of Defence effort to reduce the 16 vehicle types currently in the British Army's mobility fleet down to around 5 designs, under the Land Mobility Programme. In-service platforms that will be part of this consolidation include the Wolfhound, Mastiff, and Ridgeback protected mobility platforms, the Panther and Foxhound 4x4s, the tracked Bulldog FV430, as well as utility platforms such as the Coyote, Jackal, Land Rover, and Pinzgauer. The need to introduce replacement platforms has become ever more critical following the donation of vast quantities of British Army equipment to Ukraine in recent years, including its entire AS-90 155mm artillery force. Mobility platforms such as the Mastiff and Ridgeback are also understood to have been donated, leaving vast capability gaps in the British Army. The last 2 Jackal 3 vehicles produced under Tranche 1 will be delivered to the British Army by the end of 2025. The program is a minor ray of light for a British Army that is unable to field a division-sized combat force. Coljes Johnson, DNS Protected Mobility Group team leader, said that the platform boosts operational capability for the British Army, in a Babcock social media post on August 12. The British Army is already using the Jackal 2 4x4 high mobility carrier, which is an ideal platform for reconnaissance, rapid assault, fire support and convoy protection. Jackal vehicles are also used in Denmark, Australia, New Zealand, Norway and Estonia. The Jackal 3 is 5.79 meters long and 2.05 meters wide with a maximum and minimum height of 1.88 meters and 2.44 meters respectively. The track is 1.7 meters long, while the wheelbase is 3 meters. The gross vehicle weight is 7,600 kilograms. Its curb weight with fuel and armor is 5,500 kilograms and its payload capacity is 2,100 kilograms. The vehicle's speed is 120 kilometers per hour. The vehicle's maximum road range is 800 kilometers, fording is 1 meters, gradient is 60% and side slope is 35 degrees. It has a turning circle curb to curb of 13.5 meters and fuel capacity of 200 liters. The maximum and minimum ground clearances are 4.85 meters and 1.8 meters respectively, while the approach and departure angles are 40 degrees and the ramp over angle is 150 degrees. The Jackal 3 is being procured as a 4x4 vehicle, but it can be converted into a 6-wheel drive vehicle due to its new suspension system, effectively doubling its load carrying capacity. The vehicle will be less detectable and offer improved electromagnetic compatibility along with better rollover protection for the crew. The vehicles will be equipped with Ventus Predator Series Military Infrared Driving Light, Military Infrared Rear Light and SDI 6 Category 6 Side Direction Indicator. Optional additions for the vehicle include run-flat tires, locking differentials, a self-recovery winch, weapon mounts, a remote weapons station, smoke grenade launchers and the choice of a right-hand drive or left-hand drive. Innovation and technology have been seamlessly integrated into every step of the production process, leveraging the power of custom-built Pulse software to enhance efficiency during vehicle assembly. The Jackal 3 vehicle offers a range of mission-specific load beds, including options for weapons, communications, and intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance equipment. The vehicle will be equipped with ISTEC, a specialist military equipment designer and manufacturer, gun mounts, which enable the vehicle to be fitted with general-purpose machine guns and heavy machine guns. Additionally, it can be equipped with an optional mine blast and ballistic protection kit for enhanced safety. The Jackal 3's Cummins 6.7L, 6-cylinder diesel engine delivers 180 horsepower of power and 700 Newton-meters of torque. It is paired with Allison Transmission's 2500 Specialty Series fully automatic transmission. The braking system utilizes an air-over hydraulic system with an anti-lock braking system for enhanced safety, and the electrical system operates on a 24-volt DC power supply. An innovative manufacturing facility at Babcock's Devonport site has been specially developed for this purpose and will produce 62 of the vehicles, with the remaining 8 to be built at Supacat's manufacturing facilities in Dunkswell. In tribute to both the British Army and the Royal Navy, the new Southwest production facility has been named the Raglan Building in recognition of the nearby Raglan Barracks, which supported British soldiers on their way to overseas operations in the 1800s. The facility is future-proofed and is ready for subsequent build programs. Transformational innovation and technology have been optimized throughout the production line and includes the use of bespoke Pulse software which maximizes efficiency during vehicle assembly. It is anticipated that the advantages of being located in the South Devon Freeport will benefit the future throughput of this production facility for years to come. The Jackal 3 benefits from over a decade of development by Supacat for the UK and overseas customers since the last iteration of Jackal was delivered to the British Army. It has a number of enhancements to support operational requirements, including improved protection for the crew and an increased gross vehicle mass for greater load carrying.